Unit House Installation Video of Oriental GS Group Company Limited. Installation Tools. One. Unpack the house. Loose the hexagon socket bolts on the corners of the packed house with the electric wrench. Use a crane to place top frame on one side and move the materials out of the house. 2. The columns installation. Fix the columns to the bottom frame with bolts. The columns can be shaken. 3. Hoisting top frame. Fix the columns to the top frame with bolts. Then, stick the ceiling straps on edges of top frame and columns. 4. Rain pipes installation. Fill 4 columns with glass wall or rock wall firstly, then install rain pipes. 5. Put the gutters on raised position at the bottom frame beam. 6. Wall panels installation. Install wall panels according to the layout drawing. Install the wall panels from one side column. Fix the pressure parts to the top of wall panel by using the bolts and pad it. Tip: after installed 2 pieces wall panels on one side, the pull rod screw should be installed on both sides of the third wall panel. 7. Concave line installation. Fix the concave parts to 2 sides of the wall panel with self-tapping nails. Fix the top concave parts to wall panels and ceiling. Buckle the concave decorative cover after fix the concave parts. A. Skirting line installation. Fix the skirting to the wall with rivets. 9. Sealing the concave line. 10. Window installation. Fix the window to the inner sleeve with self-tapping nails and sealing with glue. 11. Door installation. Fasten the door to the inner sleeve. Fix 3 screws on each side of door with self-tapping nails and sealing with glue. 12. Install socket panels and switches. 13. Install daylight lamps. Power on test. Finish the installation of the house. It can be used normally.